Hey loves.
I have so many palettes here, some on the floor, and I don't even know what to do, but I just know I want to go in for something bold. Excuse my voice, I'm not feeling too well. I'm just going for something bold, and I don't know. Let's just see how this turns out. Keep watching.
So I started off with a fresh face, then I went ahead to draw my brows off camera. And if you like to see how I draw my brows or how I achieve this brow, I have a detailed brow tutorial up on my channel. I'm going to link it down below in the description box, a link that you can go directly to it. Then I applied some LA Girl Pro concealer to my eyelids. Then I'm going to be setting it using my beauty blender and some Sacha Buttercup just to set the concealer so my eyeshadows don't crease. Then this was the height of today. My eyeshadow palette, some colors break and it hurt me so bad, but we had to continue with this tutorial. That eyeshadow is just a random eyeshadow my mom gave me. I think the name has wiped off, but it's really colorful and I love it so much. So I started off with this yellow eyeshadow, then I went in with this orange shade. Altogether I'm going to be using 3 transition colors today. I wasn't really feeling well today, and me being somebody, I love colors, bold colors. I was trying to do something bold, something that represents me, to kind of get off that bad space or that bad mood. So I decided to do this tutorial, and that's why my mind was mixed up. I didn't really know the colors that I'm going to use, so I'm just trying to create the look. I'll just look and this color is like pick me, then I pick the color. Then I went in with this deeper orange shade as my final transition color for today. And I'm going to keep blending with the other colors, and you increase if you want it. Then I went into the classic concealing palette, and I went in with this white concealer, and I'm going to be using it as a base for my eyeshadows, I'm going to be using it as an eyeshadow base today. When you use a white concealer as an eyeshadow base, it helps the colors really pop. White eyeshadow base, I really recommend them for you. It's either get white eyeshadow base or a white concealer, anyone that works for you. Then I personally like to blend in the eyeshadow base with my fingers. Then I went into the LA Colors palette, and I'm going to be using this creamy shade, this cream white shade, as the first color in my crease area. After applying that cream white shade, I went into my Masquerade palette by Juvia's, and I'm going to be using this peachy shade called Cairo. I'm going to be applying it as a second color in my crease area. Then I'm going to blend it with the color I applied earlier with the first cream white color. Then I went into this palette and I'm taking that deep orange shade. That's what I use as transition color, as the last transition color in my that's transition color in my eyelid. After the orange, I decided to go in with this deep purple shade. Whatever color was coming to my head, if this color is just like pick me, I'll just pick the color. I just wanted to go in for something bold, so let's just see how this turns out. And I went in blend. I'm going to go in again with the purple to kind of fill in the space left. Yes, and I kind of like how the colors are coming together. I'm proud of myself. And guys, this video has been like a thorn in my flesh. I actually filmed this video like 2 weeks back, but I've not been able to edit nor upload. Each time I'm trying, keeps failing, but you know your girl, I don't give up. I push to get there, and finally today you're going to be seeing this video, and finally I'm able to do a voiceover. So never give up, no matter what you're doing. Keep pushing. If you keep failing, keep pushing. At one point I almost felt like deleting the video and like maybe I'm going to film it again. Actually go, but man, you have to keep pushing. In life, everything is not always going to go as planned or as smooth. Sometimes I'm editing, I'm trying to save, something comes up, it cancels. I had to go left, right, but finally I did not give up. I kept pushing till I finally achieved. Then I went in with my mascara, full volume mascara. I don't know where it's from. I don't know, maybe it's L'Oreal. I'm using it to, each time I use both colors, I personally like to go in with my mascara to brush my lashes, my natural lashes. And by brushing my national lashes, by going to brush my natural lashes, I'm kind of taking out the colors which may have fallen. Then I already did my lashes off camera. If you want to see, I'm going to be bringing a video on how to apply false lashes and bottom lashes. Tell me if you want to see that. I'm going to be bringing it for you. Then I went in to just clean up my face, and I'm going in with this L'Oreal primer to prime my face. Sorry about the birds. I live around where I live, there are so many trees, and the birds, they're trying to compliment nature. I don't know what song they are singing, but please, I'm really sorry. So I went into my Usher's bronze palette, and I'm taking this bronze shade to kind of bronze my face. I'm not like, the last time I did this on my channel, someone came to my DM on WhatsApp and was like, I've never seen them glowing this in all my years of makeup. And I'm like, girl, people, you have to try things. You have to be open to new options. You have to be open to learning. The fact that you have never seen it or you were not taught like that does not mean that it cannot be done. And you actually, why I bronze, or who I saw it from, why you kind of highlight from under your skin before applying your foundation, it shows that you should glow from within. Like, it helps there. Even if you don't apply bronzer after, you are still going to be glowing from under, you know what I mean? So be open to learning. I'm also a YouTuber, but I watch other YouTubers channels to learn and things. So you cannot be watching and be like, I've never seen this before, it has never been done. It has never been done, girl, but I just did it. And you can as well do it too. There's no harm in trying. Like, all those who created something, they were actually trying and it came out well, and that's why we kind of copied it. So like I always say on my channel, when you're putting on an off shoulder, bring it down. Oops. Yes, the foundation I used today is the Fit Me foundation in 355. I think that's my perfect shade. You can see how it just blends in nicely with my skin. So okay, so I'm going to go in with the, I'm trying to adjust. Then I went in with my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Fun to highlight my face. Like, hey, okay, I'm getting hype. I'm getting really hype. When I started this video, I was kind of down, the birds, people disturbing, but I'm getting to myself. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to be highlighting with this Elegant Pro concealer. Then you know the drill, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend it to my skin or foundation. Yeah. Don't mind me, I get really stupid sometimes. Nah, not stupid, silly. Okay, yeah, blend. Blending is key. Wherever, whenever, just blend. You're blending eyeshadow, blend well. Foundation, blend. Everything, blend. Yeah. Mm. So I went in with my Sasha Buttercup to set my highlighted areas, as all the areas that I applied my concealer earlier. Please, if you're here my channel for the first time and you've gone this far, you can as well subscribe. Join the family, is absolutely free. Let's grow this family together. And I'm sorry I've not posted, I'm sure, for a week now. I'm going to really I'm trying so hard to drop videos more consistently. And yes, so please do well to subscribe, join the family, suggest the videos you want to do, and I'm going to deliver them to you. Okay, Minami always delivers. So back to the video. I don't know why I used I used my Kiss Beauty Pro Studio something powder to set the other areas of my face. Then I'm going to go into counter contour, still my Sasha Buttercup powder. Yeah. Then I'm using this other fluffy brush to kind of dust off the Sasha Buttercup powder which I used earlier. And you're going to be seeing me using so many different powders to blend. I don't know what's coming over me. I'll use different brushes, different beads, but everything for blending, sis. Blend till blend till is not on fleek. So I went in after that, after all the switching of powders and stuff, I went into my classic contour palette with this dark shade. It has been saving me since 1945. And I kind of have to get a new one. So that's what I used to contour, solid contour. In subsequent videos, I'm going to be doing more of liquid contour because I got a really dark foundation. You all are going to be seeing it. If you want to see that foundation, subscribe. So I went into contour my face with this. Yeah, the birds are trying to help me do the voiceover too. Wow. And this is actually a blending brush that I'm using to contour. So you see, makeup is about improvising. Like this one channel I watched, and she practically used like 2 brushes to do all her makeup. I'm sure I'm going to do that. Like, that's a fun video to do. Then I'm going to take my bath now with my setting spray. yes. You set the face like you're taking a shower. So basically the reason why you set your face or this much is to take out the powdery effects, not you looking dusty, to set the foundation, and when it dries it looks more like skin rather than layers and layers of powder. And I'm going with this purple eyeshadow to apply my down pat of my lashes. There you go. So we're getting to the end of this video. If you have gone this far, I really appreciate you. Thank you all for the love, the support. Like, if you all were not watching my channel, I'll not continue making videos, but you all are there to support me. Thank you for my day 1 subscribers up to this level. Thank you. Keep telling a friend to tell a friend to tell Mohammed to tell Ali to tell everybody around your wood to subscribe to my channel. Okay, then since I want extra glow, even though I was already glowing from under because I applied the bronzer earlier, I'm going to still highlight my face. No, I'm extra. Like, I don't like basic shade, so I'm going to keep being extra. Yeah, me not changing anytime soon. The girl gonna be extra. Okay. Then, as my village people we do, their mascara had to try to destroy our makeup look. I tried and tried and it was not coming out, and so I had to leave it like that. Nothing can stop our shine or our joy. Okay, next time I'll just be more careful when I'm applying my mascara to my bottom lashes. Then sorry, I kind of lost the footage. I just lined my mouth with my brown pencil, then I applied some one nude lipstick, then gloss.